Even though bolts are galvanized, anchor bolts can rust and need to be cleaned and repaired before a new light pole is installed. This can greatly extend the life of the anchor bolts and prevent expensive costs of replacing the entire footing. A rusted nut can be removed without damaging the bolt. See our tech tip video on how to remove rusted anchor nuts for an in-depth tutorial. The first step is to remove debris and dry pack from the top of the footing and anchor bolts. Remove all existing hardware. Check for rust and other damage. If the rust on the bolt is deeper than the thickness of the threads, the bolt needs to be replaced with a thread extender or a new epoxied anchor bolt. Light Pole Systems offers thread extenders that lengthen the anchor bolts and makes it possible to install a light pole without having to replace the anchor bolts. If the anchor bolts do need to be replaced, check out our video on how to drill and epoxy anchor bolts. You can find links to the videos and thread extenders in the description below. Clean debris and any loose rust with a wire wheel. Paint the threads with a rust encapsulating or converting paint. We recommend Rust Doctor Rust Converting Paint. Install the new hardware and set the pole like normal. If your poles are rusty, be sure to watch our other videos on finding and inspecting rusted poles and our pole repair kits. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want more information, visit our website at lightpolesystems.com or call 714-786-8983. Light Pole Systems, specializing in light pole solutions.